Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in the Philips Norelco Sensotouch 3D lineup. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 series. Model S3341 90 seconds. This wet and dry electric shaver is designed to deliver a comfortable and clean shave, even for those with sensitive skin. Right from the start, this shaver impresses with its Skin Protect technology, which combines a 5D pivot contouring system with an anti-corrosion shaving system to ensure you get a close shave without irritation. The shaver's 5-directional pivoting head is engineered to adapt smoothly to the curves of your face and neck, maintaining consistent contact and preventing nicks and cuts. One of the standout features is the Comfort Cut blades. These 27 self-sharpening blades are made from hypoallergenic stainless steel, designed to cut hair just above skin level while protecting your skin with rounded blade caps for a smooth glide. These blades have a lifespan of up to 2 years, so your shaver maintains peak performance over time. The shaver also includes a pop-up trimmer, which is perfect for detailing your mustache and sideburns with precision. Whether you prefer a dry shave or a refreshing wet shave using gel or foam, this shaver accommodates both options. You can even use it in the shower, and thanks to its fully washable design, cleaning is effortless. Powering the shaver is a durable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving on just a 1-hour charge. Charging is convenient with a USB-A cable, though note that the power adapter is not included in the package. The kit itself is complete with the shaver, a protective P-cap, a travel pouch, and a charging stand, making it ideal for use both at home and on the go. Weighing just over a pound and built with corrosion-resistant materials, the Philips Norelco 3900 series strikes a great balance between durability and portability. Its sleek storm blue design adds a modern touch to the overall aesthetic. In summary, the Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 series is a thoughtfully designed electric shaver that prioritizes skin comfort, precise cutting, and user convenience. Whether you're looking for a reliable everyday shaver or a travel-friendly grooming tool, this model stands out as a solid choice in the Philips Norelco Sensotouch 3D range. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.